Okay, so today I'm just adding some bits to my little grungy journal here, and I'm just playing and popping things in where I think I want them, like there. I'm thinking, just because this back page is a bit floppy, so I might sew that in, and I don't know if my needle will go through, so we're going to try it. We're going to try. Yeah, easy peasy. And we're just going to just stitch it in. No, not worrying whether it goes straight, obviously, because it's grungy. It's a grungy journal. Well, it's not really a journal. There's not very many writing spaces. It's just a little book. A little book that's just fun to make. And you can do this. If you like grungy, have a little go. Just grab out all your scraps, ink them up, paint on them, ink them. I don't have ink, so mine won't be inked. They're just either vintage themselves, or I've vintaged them myself by tea staining, coffee staining, all the stainings. And we're just going to roughly stitch this in, just like this. Yes, it's blue. Yeah, it's what I had. I've been doing some blue stitching. So, it's blue. Yeah, and this piece is from a very old photo album that I got from the car boot of a lovely gentleman who was selling this with lots of photos. I believe he found them in his attic. I don't think they were the photos aren't from his family, which was why he didn't mind sort of getting rid of them. They meant nothing to him. So, but you know, just lucky to be in the right place at the right time sometimes. Grab the bargains. He didn't charge me very much, and I got sort of 3 photo albums from him with loads of photos. Okay, so there we go. That is stitched in. I like that, and I'm going to just tie a little knot at the back here. We're going to try not to split all the threads, because then it won't stay to... Oh, well, we've messed that up. Let's try that one again without messing everything up. And I got a nice big knot. Gotta love a big knot, haven't you? There we go. I do have some scissors, which I'm going to just chop that off. I'm going to put my needle away before I lose it. And this is the sort of front of this one. But I haven't finished because I've got some blank pages, you see. I mean, I quite like that page. This page needs something. Did lots of writing space, even if you did want to write. I don't like that edge. We need to cover that edge up. What have I got? Ooh. I'm not going to put any more lace in this one. Got a bit of this. This is just book page by the look of it, that I've covered with some tissue that I've painted or stained with something. I don't know, guys. I forget what I've done. I forget. I have a memory like a sieve. Oh, I've got 2. I only need 1. I only need 1 piece. Didn't know that was doubled up. It was probably a page from something. Because I don't like that straight edge there. I'm just going to glue this on. Oh, I quite like that actually, that side. Yep, I'm gonna glue this side. Yeah, it must have been a napkin. Yeah, napkin. So I can use both sides. Very handy. Yeah, I was asked for some more of these junk journal with me. That's not going to stick. Come on. More glue. Not enough glue. There we go. That should work. See if that sticks. We'll come back to it. Just a photo flip. It's just a fabric page. Done this one on the machine. Oh yeah, I need to add something onto there. I'm digging my little scraps here. Oh, that's quite cool. Could add that. I had this out the other day. Well, that's a big thick page. It's been ages since I worked in this. Oh, we could make a big pocket, couldn't we? How about if we did it that way? So we could see through there. And that would look really cool. I don't know if this will stick. I might have to see if I can get that. Oh, you're not going to stick, are you? That would be more sewing. We've just done sewing. Well, I'm going back. I'm forgetting where I am. I'm doing this page here because it's a bit flimsy on the edge. It's like something, it's been ripped. I quite like this feather. It's on the back of some wallpaper. Let's just see. It won't hurt. I'll use it or I won't. I think it's a bit big for this book. But we might use some of this though. I don't know why this page is so flimsy. Could actually put the wallpaper side down, couldn't we? Just need to strengthen it. It's very, very weak. Let's do a bit more on it. Let's add some more layers on it, like that maybe. I'm not overthinking. That's the best thing to do. Don't overthink. Do we want a bit of fabric? Maybe a bit of fabric on there as well. Let's just ink up them edges before I stick it down and then I can't. Just get rid of them white edges. I don't know if I've got any fabric in here. Oh, I've got a bit of bandage. Let's cut a piece of this. This is rusty. That's all it is. Rusty dyed bandage. I don't think that's going to glue on. But we could put a couple of staples in it. Let's wrinkle it up. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. Come on. Play nicely. There we go. Well, that makes it a bit more interesting. We could pop that on because it's got I don't know what that is. I can't read it. We're going to glue this down, put it on, strengthen up that page a bit. Grungy junk journaling is just so much fun. It's just grabbing scraps, putting them together, and Bob's your uncle. So I've got a staple there as well. These vintage cards, I have these lying around. There's just so many of them, so we just may put this. We could have it in there. Just before that sticks down completely. Just as something else on the page. Why not? There we go. Right, can you all stick now? Nicely. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to do a few of these short little grungy episodes, so look out for those. And I'll see you very soon. Enjoy your crafting. Bye for now.